Institutions, banks can either be pure relationship driven or product driven, or they can leverage technology to do so. In financial services, a technology provider or a service provider is really coupled very tightly with an institution. Retail banks are nothing but a very large repository of data. So when they say, I know you, Alan, or I know you, Cyrus, they mean that they can access our data files accurately and quickly. That's what they mean by I know you and I know your requirements. If the bank is a very large repository of data, then the person who helps them mine the data, make sense of the data, and monetize from the data is the technology partner, and hence they can't do without the other. Like any other new taxonomy, the interpretation of digital is a little distorted. Some of the institutions that we talk to, they would say we have a mobile applet and hence we are digital. Some of them would go and have a more elaborate E and M comma strategy and they'd call it digital. When we taxonomize digital or digital transformation, this is what we say. Any process that you have, if you can move to a digital channel or a digital workflow, that's called true digitalization. We've been doing our part actually to permute the idea that digital is not an applet that you buy or develop, put, and then that's called, oh, we have a digital strategy. So that's how we're helping standardize the taxonomy, saying, whilst we're getting caught with all this hype, what is truly digital? When you've heard us, advise our clients, and when we're talking to institutions, we're talking to retail bankers, we're saying, don't try and be siloed in one or two. I should do digital transformation. I should do compliance. I should do customer experience. Think of it like a precipitate, a chemical precipitate. Profit is a precipitate, and that's what they're going after. What are your existing costs and processes? Can you tweak them, simplify them? What are your requirements with regards to customers, whatever the segment, SME, corporate? What do they really want in their lifestyle banking? What are your products? When these three combinations come through in a perfect alignment, the precipitate is profit or customer experience. So you can't say, I'm going for profit, I'm going for customer experience. You have to try and do an alignment of the three. What do we have? What do our customers want? Can we align that? And automatically that becomes the customer experience. So I don't think it's I'm doing this year, I'm doing that next year. I think it's a continuous little process. No, the answer is absolutely no. I'll give you examples. HSBC, where I worked, and I still use them as a client, has no latest and greatest technology. It's not even a but or an if or a maybe. It does not have latest technology. That's it. Are they successful? Very. So I'm Citibank, and if I buy more kit and gear and applications, I will be the brightest and the best? Not true. But does technology help you accelerate or leapfrog? Yes, it does. So buying it doesn't. Your optimum utilization of the latest technology will get you to where you want to be if you had the right processes in place. So again, case in point, taking names blatantly, OCBC, they got their strategy right. They got their customer segmentation right. They got the product right. Then they solicited the latest technology to help them get to that point, which was customer delight. And now they're doing it.